TAFE provides high-quality vocational education and has changed the lives of millions of Australians. With hundreds of campuses all around the country, TAFE can help Australia rebuild in response to the COVID crisis. In fact, TAFE is perfectly positioned to provide skills, jobs, purpose and opportunities to millions more Australians and help to create a positive future for all of us. But TAFE has suffered government funding cuts. So while right now is the time Australia needs TAFE more than ever before, it's also the time TAFE needs funding more than ever before. Will you add your voice and tell the government to rebuild with TAFE for a positive future? Take action now at rebuildwithtafe.org.au.